So this is where it all started with my biscuits. I took a link sausage because I removed the skin off of this link and then I cut it up in cubes. So this is what it looks like once all of the skin is removed, and it's not perfect, but I just don't like eating that skin, so I try to take it off. Okay, as much of it as I possibly can. And now we're gonna cube it up and fry it up. Here's our sausage all diced up. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry them up and cook them up. And anytime you're adding meat to anything like cornbread, any kind of your breads and stuff, you wanna cook your meat first, drain the oil off the meat, and then add it to your batter. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna cook this up and I'm gonna drain it. I'm gonna let it cool because I'm cooking biscuits, and biscuits need to be cold, okay? So I'm gonna let it cool completely, and then I'm gonna add them to the biscuit batter. So here's the sausage cooking up, and so what you want to do is you want to cook the sausage up and then drain it, you know, like right there in a bowl. Drain that sausage and then let it cool off before you add it to your biscuit batter. See, I haven't even started on the biscuit batter because I know these sausage got to cook and cool down. So I'll let the sausage drain in here and cool down. This bowl right here, I've got 2 cups of flour, I've got a tablespoon of baking powder, and I got a teaspoon of salt. That's all. And now I'm gonna add 12 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I've got 12 tablespoons of butter cubed up in the bowl. And now I'm gonna beat this up until it looks like, they say peas, but I like to say like meal, till it looks like meal. So I'm gonna beat this up until it looks like meal, and then I'm gonna add a half a cup of buttermilk. So I got an egg in the buttermilk, half a cup of buttermilk. I'm gonna drop this into the flour mixture and then add a cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese, baby. And it should look like that. Now I'm gonna add the cheddar cheese and the cooled sausage in here also. I ate quite a bit of the sausage as I moved it along. The sausage is so good, baby. It's so good. This is what it looks like. Now, what you can do, you can use a rolling pin, put a little flour on top, and use a rolling pin and roll it out. But I typically do this with my hands, y'all. I just kind of make a rectangle and just flatten it out. And then I just start cutting. And that's what it looks like. I just flatten it out with my hand, but you can roll it out like that too. But that's what it looks like. And then I just cut it down the middle. And then cut it like so. And sometimes you got to put flour on your knife. I'm using a bench presser. And we're going to get this escapee sausage and smash that right into the biscuits. And that's how they look. Now you can do this and put them on the sheet pan and bake them in the oven, 425 for about 20 minutes. Before you put them in the oven, brush them with a little egg white. You can add cheese on top of the egg white. You can add salt on it if you want to. You don't have to add anything if you don't want to. It's up to you. So that's how they look on the sheet pan. I'm going to sit them in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes because my hands are warm and the kitchen is warm, and I want to get that butter cold again in them. But if you don't have to do that, you can throw them right into a 425-degree oven. But I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 more minutes and then brush them with egg wash. And I may put some cheese on top and then put them in the oven for 20 minutes. Here they go. They're about to go in the oven. 425 for 20 minutes. You don't have to put the cheese on top of it. I just got a little egg mixed in cold water that I brushed over the top of it. And don't throw this egg away. You know, we not them cooking cheddars. Save that egg right there and mix it with another egg tomorrow to eat breakfast, or mix it with another egg today to eat with this biscuit. Okay, don't be throwing food away. Eat that egg. Okay, it's just got a little water in it. That's all. It'll be all right. Okay? Okay. Oh, y'all, they hot out of the oven, but this is how they look. Yeah, baby. Ooh, they so hot. I can't pick them up. Look at that pretty back. All them sausages in there. And this was a complete meal for my children going off to school. Yeah. It brings a smile to my face to have made them again today, knowing that I'm an empty nester. I'm going to share these with my neighbors. And it brings back memories. My kids used to love these biscuits, y'all. Y'all go out and make it a great day. Make these biscuits. The recipe's going to be in the description field. I will see y'all on the next video. I'm Val Taylor. Bye now.